Hi, this is Aaron Aber. This is Service Learning Assignment number 9. And in this demonstration, I will show how to create a organizational unit and how to make a GPO, which is a group policy object. And what it is a organizational unit is where you would create it, and you would have say certain users in there. And the thing is, you would link it to a GPO with our policy settings you would enforce in there. The thing is, like what it is, you would have different units for different things. You might have the accounting unit, you might have the research unit, you might have it's just like different departments within the organization, and they might have different policies for each and every single one of them. For instance, the administrators, the administrators unit might be completely different from the accounting. You see what I'm saying? So I'll give a little demonstration, but nothing too big. But to start off, you go to Service Manager. You go to Tools. You go to Group Policy Management. And as you can see, there's the forest. You go down, press Domains, press it again, Policy Objects. And the first thing you want to do, as you can see, is the default domain controllers policy. Default domain policy. And the first thing you want to do is you want to right click on the server, and you want to new organizational unit. And I'm going to name it Demo Organizational Units. And there it is. Right now I'm not linked to any group policy objects. So in the group policy object, I'm going to create my own. I'm going to right click on group policy, press new like I did, and I'm going to new group policy object. We're just going to call this 1. Press OK. And there you go. It's on there now. And the thing is, you want to right click on it. You want to press edit. And in here you'll see policies, preferences on the computer configuration, user configuration, policies, preferences. You want to go to policies, Windows settings. First, you want to go to administrative templates. You want to go to all settings, and this gives you all the settings that's in here. I mean, you can do all kinds of stuff, but the thing I'm going to do today is I am going to turn off, where is it? I'm going to turn off so much stuff on here. Oh. I know exactly the one I want to use. I'll just go ahead and use something else. And I'm not gonna be able to show the entire spiel anyway. So what you would do is, say I wanted to turn on use pop-up blocker. What you would do is you right click, you press that, And it kind of gives you, this policy setting allows you to manage whether unwanted pop-up windows appear. Pop-up windows that are opened when the end user clicks a link are not blocked. If you enable this policy setting, most unwanted pop-up windows are prevented from appearing. If you enable this policy, pop-up windows are not prevented from appearing. If you not configure this policy setting, most unwanted pop-up windows are prevented from appearing. So what it is, if you want to enable it, you would use pop-up blocker, enable, disable. And it does exactly what it says it does. And the thing is, you can actually go in there, and like I was saying, if you say I enabled this and I pressed OK, apply, it's enabled now. And the thing is, you would then go to, you would get out here, and remember how I was saying that you would then go back to your organizational unit, and then you can go to link an existing GPO. And you would do that, you would link it. So you would do that. Then you can go to tools. And the thing is, you can then go to, like, say, Han Solo. Go to properties. Go to pretty much what it is oh yeah, you can go here, you can go to users, you can go to you can add them to a group, you can then add them to demo. It would be easier if I just did this. Go to properties. What I did was I moved Han Solo to this. So for instance, I turned on the pop-up blocker, which would then enforce it to where Han Solo, if he goes on the internet, pop-up blockers will be blocked. Then for instance, if I would have turned off Task Manager, he wouldn't be able to use Task Manager. So that's what those organizational units are for. And that's why they're created, and that's why you create GPU, so you can set up those security settings, and you can make sure that the accounting, like I was saying, all the accounting users, and so on and so forth, they're all applying those permissions, those security settings, and so on and so forth. Those are being enforced on those users. And that ends Surface Learning assignment number 9. Thank you.